Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80070424 on Windows 11. This error appears when downloading or updating apps and says the specified service does not exist as an installed service. I'll walk you through the working fixes step by step. This usually happens when Microsoft Store services are missing, disabled, or corrupted. It can also be caused by broken system files or Windows Update components. First, run the Windows Store Troubleshooter. Press Windows I to open Settings, then go to System. Click Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Store apps and click Run. This tool checks for missing services, permission issues, and store corruption and may fix them automatically. Restart your computer and check if the error is gone. If the error remains, continue to the next step. Next, repair the Microsoft Store app. Press Windows I again and go to Apps. Scroll down and find Microsoft Store. Click the three dots and choose Advanced Options. Click Repair and wait a few seconds. If the issue persists, click Reset. This reinstalls the store and clears corrupted cache files. If it still doesn't work, check required Windows services. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows License Manager. Set each service to automatic and click Start if it's stopped. Click Apply, then OK. These services are required for Microsoft Store updates. If the error continues, reset Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Run netstop wa user v, then netstop bits. Next, run netstop crips vc. Then run netstart wa user v, netstart bits, and netstart crips vc. Close Command Prompt and restart your PC. Finally, make sure Windows is fully updated. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Cumulative updates often fix Microsoft Store issues. After these steps, the error should be resolved and apps should work normally. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.